God bless you, student. Today we will discuss about the most important topic is corrosion. Chemical decay of metals due to the action of a surrounding medium is called corrosion. Surrounding medium is atmosphere. They contain oxides, moistures. So there are two types of the corrosion: dry corrosion and a wet corrosion. Simplest case of the corrosion occur when a metal come into contact with the gases. The simplest case of the corrosion. Contact with gases of the atmosphere, the surface of the metal. The surface of the metal is become coated with the compounds such as oxides, sulfides, and carbonates. Such compounds sometimes form a compact layer on the surface, protecting the metals from further attack. In a wet corrosion, different when the metal is in contact with water. The compounds formed in this case may dissolve in water, allowing the corrosion to penetrate further into the metal. Besides dissolving the compounds, water also promotes electrochemical theory process. In this process, according to this process, moisture mean water, and carbon dioxide in atmosphere contact with each other to form H2CO3 carbonates, and these carbonates are produce hydrogen ions and CO3 2 negative ions. Water is also ionized, self ionizable, so they are converted into H positive and OH negative ions. Copper and aluminium are in a sense immersed in the solution containing H positive and OH negative ions and CO3 2 negative ions. This forms a galvanic cell in which aluminium release 3 electrons, and the charge is Al3 positive. Aluminium is more reactive than copper. It acts as a negative electrode and copper acts as a positive electrode. Aluminium ion attracts OH negative ions. Aluminium ion attract OH negative ions. It start dissolving. The H positive ions present on the copper receives the electrons and release as H2 and release in the form of a H2. In this way, aluminium corrodes rapidly when in contact with copper, which is lower in electrochemical series. From this, we can conclude that when an active metal, aluminium, higher in the electrochemical series come in contact with the less active metal, copper, lower in the electrochemical series, a galvanic cell is established. In this process, active metal correspond rapidly while the other remains intact. At anode reaction, a metal release electrons, and those electrons accept the copper. Those electrons accept other cathode O2, H2O, and 4 electrons. They form a OH negative ions, and OH negative ions accept aluminium. So this process active metal corrodes rapidly while other remains intact.